What is up, Boobie Goaters? I'm getting rained on. We're getting a lot of rain. Surprisingly, school was canceled today because of the high wind warning and we might lose power. I'm just gonna cook some food ahead of time and prepare. But right now, we gotta let the chickens out. Last high wind warning, the door flew open and broke, busted, millions of pieces. Here they come. Hey, it's raining. Got to bring you in. I'm afraid to angle the camera, like go a little bit lower because of the rooster that I want to keep. That's a total jerk. But I have some thoughts about him. If I get rid of him, because I have so many roosters, another rooster will start acting like a total ass. And I want a jerk rooster. If I ever get a predator problem, I'll have a rooster that'll fight the predators. And that's good for me. That's a plus. So I'll just wear my black overalls when I'm out here. That's fine. Ducks are going crazy because this is fine weather for ducks. I'm gonna go around and see if I can find any eggs. I have a lot of peanut butter left, and I saw online that 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and you put it in your waffle maker, is good for making like high protein, keto friendly. And I'm gonna do that for my kids, and we'll see if they like them. They did not like them. They were too dense and super gross. My hands. Always wash your hands after you mess with the chickens. I mean, that should be livestock 101. I don't know. I just thought, you know, since we had extra peanut butter, let's do something fun. All right, Boobie Goaters. Got my eggs. You know, they're laying somewhere different. I have Cayuga ducks, and I can't find the black eggs anywhere, and I know they're laying, but I don't know where, and I might send my kids out to look for that.